What's up, YouTube? We just hooked up a Chevy Express G2500. This one is a rear wheel drive. That's why I got it hooked up from the rear. Let me show you real quick. So when I got here, I just went under the van and I checked. I looked for the driveshaft, and here it is. And that's how I know that this van was a rear wheel drive and it's not a 4x4, because I checked the front there and there's no what do you call it, those drive axles that come from the transmission. There's nothing in there. Anyways, I hooked this one up. Let me show you how I hooked it up here. I try to put my strap right in the center of the tire. And then I got my safety chains coming under the wheel lift. They come across, and I got them wrapped up on the springs up here. I did the same on the other side. See, my chain comes right under the wheel lift, across, and it goes right up here, just like that. I got my boom out the way. You gotta be careful with this right here, because sometimes if it's too close, when you turn, that vent is gonna hit the boom and you're gonna break the glass in the back here, or you're gonna break something. So just make sure your boom is all the way up and it's out the way. Inside here we got the seatbelt around the steering wheel, nice and tight. After you put the seatbelt on like that, just pull it hard. Just pull it hard, make sure it doesn't come off, and you'll be good to go. But if you can use a strap, it's better to use a strap. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. In this case, I feel safe using the seatbelt. Make sure your mirrors are in, because you're doing a rear tow. If you leave your mirrors open like this, since you're towing backwards, you might have, you know, a rock or anything hit the mirror and break it. And I'm sure you don't want to pay for that. I got the tow bar back here. Before you put this on, just make sure that there's no rocks. See, like sometimes I got like little rocks on this. You can see a little tiny rock up in there. Make sure they're all nice and clean, because you don't want to scratch anybody's car. So that's another thing you gotta watch out for.